good in both yourself and in other people. And so it can be really easy to, just in our minds, just start thinking negative thoughts about ourselves, even our image. And the reality is that we are fearfully and wonderfully made. You may also get in your head to start comparing yourself with somebody else or thinking negatively about somebody else, but we don't know everybody's story. And so maybe just decide today to flip the script and think the best about somebody today. That you maybe just someone you don't even truly know, but in your mind, for some reason, you have thoughts about them and they're not even true, but it's a false narrative. Decide today to look for the good and see just the weight just fall off your shoulders in that. So encouraging you today, be kind, be encouraged. It's a beautiful summer day in Pittsburgh. Think of those things that are lovely. Have a good day.